I discovered a leak in a refrigerator water line. My wife is going to turn the water on from the basement. You can see it spraying out. I first noticed some water dripping into the basement near the water line, but saw no problem with the connection down there, so I checked behind the refrigerator and discovered the leak. And now I'll show you how to repair it. I purchased this Aqualock from Amazon. I included a link to it. It's 1/4 inch. I knew I had the correct size because my water line has 1/4 inch printed on it, and I believe this is the standard size for refrigerator water lines. Here's the Aqualock. When it was spraying, my wife made note of the hole, and after I turned off the water, she marked 2 lines on either side for me to cut. You need to cut straight across the line, straight and even. I'm going to push the water line into the Aqualock until it's snug and I can't easily pull it out. I'll do the same to the other side. I'm rechecking both sides to make sure the lines are in securely. And I'm going to have my wife turn the water back on, and hopefully it worked. The line just jerked a little bit, so the water's back on, and I don't see any drips. I hope everyone found this helpful. If so, please hit the like and subscribe.